Hello viewers, a lot of users have been asking me one question again and again. Should I buy iPad Air M3 right now or should I wait for iPad Air M4? Today in this video, I will clear all the confusion for all. Let me be very honest with you. iPad Air M3 is a fantastic iPad. In fact, it is one of the best value for money product that you can buy right now if you get this around 41 to 42,000 rupees on Amazon.in. Now yes, iPad Air M4 is expected to launch this year, but let's be realistic. When it will be launched, it will be much more expensive, especially in India. So if you are waiting just to save money, that plan may backfire. iPad Air M3 already gives you a very powerful processor, excellent performance for students, creators, and even light professional work. The display is top-notch, sharp, bright, and perfect for watching content, reading, note-taking, and editing. Plus, it comes with M3 chipset, which is very powerful, so video editing and video rendering will be very smooth on iPad Air M3. You will have no problem whatsoever while rendering 4K 60 FPS videos. So this is very good iPad for content creators and who wants to edit videos on their iPad. So in the conclusion, my clear recommendation is this. If you are getting iPad Air M3 at a good discount right now, go for it. It is a powerful future-proof for years and absolutely worth the money. Waiting for M4 only makes sense if you want the latest tech at a higher price tag. So I think you should buy iPad Air M3 at 42,000 during offer rather than buying iPad Air M4 at a very high price tag. Now let me know your thoughts regarding this in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will put another video regarding the offers and discounts on tablets. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.